To quit your job, all you have to do is find something that repeats every day that can yield you 5 handles.
All right, what's going on, everybody? This video, we're gonna go over this this setup that I use to yield me 5 points every day, just about every day. So we'll call it a permanent vacation, because after you learn this, you won't need to go to your job anymore. Just a few rules, like ICT says, you should be able to fit this on a business card, fit your model on a business card, right? So I've got 5 rules here. I'm gonna give you a bonus tip at the end, so be sure to stick around for that. All right, so basically what you're gonna want to see is sell side get taken in a bullish example. Sell side's taken, buy side's taken. So then you have a dealing range. You're gonna draw your fib from low to high. You're gonna look for discount arrays, right, to be respected. So in this example here, we have a fair value gap. So once price takes the buy side, you're gonna look for the retracement into the discount array. That'll be your entry. You're going to put a 5-point stop loss, 5-point take profit. After your 5-point take profits hit, you're going to just watch the trade and see how far it goes to help you build confidence in the setup, right? So then for a bearish example, it's essentially the same thing. You're going to look for buy side to be taken, sell side to be taken, create your dealing range, draw a fib from high to low. Then you're going to look for premium arrays. So in this example, you have fair value gap. That'll be your entry, 5-point stop loss, 5-point take profit, same thing. Watch it after you take profit at 5 points to build the confidence, right? So let's go into some real chart examples over the past few days. On this one from Tuesday, April 4th here, I've marked out the 9:30 open. We had news at 10 a.m. So I'm gonna really start looking after the news. So you always wanna be aware, check your economic calendars, right? Know when to expect the volatility. So here at 10 a.m., we take out buy side, consolidate for a bit, and then aggressively take sell side with displacement, right? So now we have our dealing range from high to low. Draw a fib. 50% here. We have a premium fair value gap here. You can see price tags you in. This will be your entry. You're going to put a 5-point stop loss, 5-point take profit, and then you're going to watch and see how far it goes past this 5 points, right? So see if it takes out the sell side here, and then keep watching just to see the power of holding longer. Because eventually that's what you're going to want to build into, being able to hold these for longer. All right, and then I have an example from earlier today, the day of making this video on Wednesday, April 5th. Again, I've marked out the 9:30 open. Again, we also had news at 10 a.m. on this day. So this is the 10 a.m. candle here. Took buy side, aggressively took sell side below all these lows. Draw a fib from high to low, 50% here. We have a fair value gap in our premium. Wicks into it just a bit. That would be your entry. 5-point stop loss, 5-point take profit. You can see you get your 5 points here. You can see we also take out this low again and continues lower. So now I have one more example just to show a bullish example with the actual chart. All right, so this is a PM session example. So I have the 13:30 marked out here because ICT says that we should start looking for PM session setups in the kill zone from 13:30 till close, right? So here at 13:30, you can see we take sell side below these relative equal lows, then aggressively take buy side. And there's a 5-minute fair value gap in a discount from high to low. Draw your fib. Price retraces into our discount array. We get tagged in here. There's 5 points, and there's your 5-point stop loss. So you can see that you have a 5-point stop loss, but also you're rarely ever seeing that much drawdown. So, and you can see this one also takes out the high here at buy side liquidity. So that is pretty much the setup. It's nothing complicated. This doesn't require a daily bias or anything. You can pretty much use this at all times. So if you're not good at daily bias, this could be something that you might want to try out. Back test it, see if you like it. All right, so for the bonus tip, what I like to do, after I get entered in here, right, and I take off at 5 points, I like to have, say I have 2 contracts, I will move my stop to break even on the second contract here, and then I will let it run. Now we'll see, can we take out this low here at the bottom of the dealing range? See if we can take that out. In this example, I think it's around 10 points. And then after that, you could still keep trailing your stop loss. So maybe you're trading micros, maybe you take some off at 5 points, take half the position off, take a few more here at this sell side liquidity, at this swing low, and then maybe you start trailing your stop on the rest of the position. Like this order block gets respected here, price trades down, maybe I trail my stop to here. We push lower, price respects this fair value gap, takes the low, maybe I trail my stop to here, and then eventually you'll get stopped out, but you can squeeze out some more points by doing that. So that's all I got today. If you enjoyed, I'd appreciate you to leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to be trying to be more active here on YouTube. I'm going to try to post at least once a week from now on. And also be sure to follow me on Twitter at L2KTrades. I'm usually active on there just about every day, so be sure to follow me over there. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys soon.